what is the difference between an Amazon seller account, what we just mentioned, to a business, to an Amazon business? Shaiman, maybe can help.
First of all, regarding the last questions, as you
Yeah.
said, this is completely legal, and there are, large industries of sellers who are exiting their Amazon business, which is 7, 8 figures. So it is definitely legal and possible. And
Mhm.
like you said, there is a difference between an Amazon seller account and an Amazon business. The account itself is basically the skeleton of the business and the store. This is the Amazon Seller Central account. It has seller feedbacks, it has sales history, and basically
Mhm.
sometimes even ungated categories or brands. And this account itself is worth money because if someone wants to open a new account, then he would start from scratch. So, you can enjoy the benefits of the aged account and basically sell your own items on it and not continue what the previous seller activity was. And when you're looking at the business, this is a more complex deal, which meaning buying the whole operation. Okay, you need to have
Mm.
connections with the seller's supplier. You need to, basically get all the other assets if there is a website, mailing lists, and basically you're buying the entire activity. It is much different and more complex than only the account. Of course, it is possible to sell the business without the account or with the account, but most people doesn't understand what's the difference between the two, and it is important to understand that.
So that's the difference. Basically, again, the business is a full operation with the suppliers, with the listings on
Even more.
Amazon.
Yeah, and also one important thing to mention is Amazon is a whole different world. You have merch accounts, which are selling
Mm.
like print on demand. You have buyer accounts, you have seller accounts, you even have affiliate accounts. But what
Mhm.
we mainly deal with is only Amazon seller accounts. So this is also
Mhm.
important to know.
Okay, I would point out, also the main difference. Business is something that's profitable. It's generating not only
Mm.
revenue, it's profitable. Okay, it's profitable throughout the year, throughout the years. Okay, it has a completely different value. Okay, because it's valued based on what it's making, the profits. Okay, and usually we're discussing businesses can go in today's world on multiples of anywhere between 2 to 4.5, 5, on most businesses. Of course, there's the exception, and there are, those businesses that can go for higher multiples. Okay, but most of them would be somewhere in that range.
Yeah, so
Go
when
on,
you're
Shai.
looking
Yeah.
to sell an Amazon business, like Omar mentioned, then you need to provide a P&L, a profit and loss document for the last 1 and 2 years. It is sold by its profit and not according to the features of the actual account. So yeah, just wanted to point that out.
And another thing I would point out, usually the sale of an Amazon business is something that takes longer as well. Usually these deals take anywhere between months to several months to be finalized. Amazon accounts can be sold instantly. That's also a huge difference.